limit. All right, determine and label any value of x where the graph has a whole or vertical asymptote. Fun. You gotta factor every single thing. Guys, rational function is not hard. It's just a lot of overlap with algebra 1 and algebra 2, right? So like obviously if I don't know how to factor, this problem becomes pretty difficult. So let's go over number 17 together. Okay, so I have to factor the top, I have to factor the bottom. Let's start with the top. Greatest common factor is 1. So I don't have to factor it out. Now, a times c is negative 12, b is negative 4. Find two numbers, multiply to be negative 12, add up to be negative 4, negative 6, and 2. Now, once you find those two numbers, technically you're supposed to like go x squared minus 6x plus 2x minus 12 and go through all the steps. But some of you already know the shortcut. That is, if the a value is a 1, you can just take those two numbers and factor it as x minus 6, x plus 2. I can do the same thing over here. Greatest common factor is 1, a times c is 36, b is negative 12, magic number, negative 6 and negative 6. Once again, a is a 1, so I can take a shortcut. This is x minus 6, x minus 6. Yeah? All right, so let's put it together. X minus 6, x plus 2 is my numerator. My denominator is x minus 6. Okay, well, let's just write it like this. All right, let's go. Canceling factor. So would you agree that the whole is at x is equal to 6? We don't have to find a y value. Now, where's a vertical asymptote? All right, this is like mistake right here. Everybody, how many of you thought that x equals 6 is a vertical asymptote? Because you're like, oh, I didn't, it's left over from the bottom. Sorry, that is very, very, very wrong. Why is that? Folks, that is the x minus 6 square, right? So if I were to rewrite this whole thing, I can rewrite it as a x minus 6 square. So I cancel x minus 6 out, and you have things left over.